Let's get into it. Gotta have the beer opener on the road. Gotta stay hydrated. This main drawer here is my kitchen. I hold all of my seasonings, my utensils, my plates, cups, propane, some other odds and ends in here, canned food. So that's just my main drawer that I'll be using when I prepare my meals. It is the middle of winter right now, so I am keeping on to this heater. Can't forget about Soul's toy there. Nice hammock for when I'm chilling. Paper towels to clean up all them messes. Up here I got my stove with a magnet bowl on top just to hold any kind of metal items there without them sliding around. Here I got my silicone sink with a water hose that comes out. I have a pressurized water canister inside that cabinet. If you want to know how I did that, check out my other video on my channel. But this is a collapsible top, so I can pull that out, get down into my storage there. Got my candle. I love to have my shelf smelling good. Over here is another false top, just additional storage that I can utilize. Now we're gonna head over to the tools. I am a handyman of sorts. I build these conversions for a living, so I will be taking all of my tools on the road with me. There's quite a bit there, but I will definitely need them. In this box is kind of a utility box. I have just extra tools, some extra lights that I'm going to add onto my truck later on. I have some drywall spades in there, some clamps, skill saw, just some extra tools. Alright, coming into the cab of the truck, we have my cabinet here. Put some non-slip grip on top of it so I could throw my laptop up there while I'm traveling. I will be using this to store extra tools. As you can see in here, I have my socket sets, hand saws, drill bits, just additional tools I might need. In the back here, I have my soldering / wiring kit. I love to get you guys in the feel with the music, so enjoy this orchestra edit. I just have some zip ties, soldering wire, some flux, soldering iron, some crimps, and some weather sealing wire seals there with an extra 12-volt connection. Definitely comes in handy on the road, especially since I have so much wiring going on around my truck shell with my lighting and my jackery, etc. So that's a must-have for sure. Down here in this tool bag here, I have extra straps. I always have straps on me when I'm in my truck traveling around. You just never know when you need to strap something down or help someone that's on the side of the road. Up in the front seat here, I made my dog a bed platform. Just cut out some wood, carpeted it, and then put some memory foam on top. I got some additional storage underneath it there. Right here I fit my first aid kits. I travel with 2 of them at all times. You just never know what you're going to need. Some seat wipes there. Thank you guys for watching, and please like, comment, and subscribe.